Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be taking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to create a Google form, a powerful tool to collect data, gather feedback, and conduct surveys. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Google Forms. The first step is to access Google Forms. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing forms.google.com in the address bar. Alternatively, you can search for Google Forms in Google, and the first link should take you there. Step 2. Sign into your Google account. Next, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Creating a new form. Once you're signed in, click on the plus blank button, and this will create a new Google form for you. Step 4. Editing form title and description. Now, let's give our form a title and a brief description. Click on the Untitled Form field to add your title, and the Form Description field to add a short description of what your form is about. Step 5. Adding questions. With our form's basic information set up, it's time to add some questions. You can choose from different question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, and more. Just click on the plus button to add a new question. Step 6. Customizing questions. Once you've added a question, you can customize it further by editing the question text, adding answer choices, and even making certain questions required or optional. Step 7. Adding more questions and sections. Continue adding questions until your form is complete. You can also create different sections to organize your questions better. Just click on the three dots menu and select Section. Step 8. Previewing and testing. Once you're done adding questions, it's essential to preview your form to ensure everything looks perfect. You can do this by clicking the eye icon in the top right corner. Step 9. Sending the form. Now that your form is ready, it's time to share it with others. You have several options, such as sharing the link directly, embedding it on a website, or sending it via email. Step 10. Viewing responses. After some time, you'll start receiving responses to your form. To view and analyze the data, go back to the main Google Forms page, select your form, and click on Responses. That's it, folks. Creating a Google form is that easy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.